Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and get into our Unity unbagging for the month of March. I do apologize for February again. I know I did it on the last day of February, but this one you should see fairly soon. I got a message saying that it was delivered to my mailbox. I want to say the 4th, the 13th, the 12th or 13th. So that's pretty good. I can't remember the actual time. And I picked it up on the 16th, and that's when I am recording the video, but you're seeing it not on that day. So yeah. So this is for March, and it is called Rooted and Radiant. So I did take a sneak peek when I got the email saying that it was delivered. I was like, oh well, let me see how pretty it is or not pretty it's going to be. So I'm going to bring it up because someone had posted that they couldn't see it that well last time. So I would like to unsubscribe from Mondays, please. That's cute with that one. We got a little bee. We got this beautiful flower with some script behind it. Then we have this couple. I feel like this is the couple before they get married and then as they age. Am I a fan of these little couples like this? I don't really have nothing to say about them. All right, so let's talk about. I would like to unsubscribe from Mondays, please. Today is feeling kind of optional. Living on a prayer and lots of coffee. Just be you, be cool. You make my heart buzz. Buzzing with thanks, manifesting Friday. Beautiful things take time. Today is the beginning of a beautiful forever. Two hearts, one beautiful life. Best wishes. May your love be steady, joyful, and forever growing, celebrating a love that endures. May the years ahead be just as sweet. The quiet strength of lifelong love. Your love is a legacy. The best stories never end. Smooches, happy anniversary. So then over here they have what they have started doing. I want to say the last year, 2 years now, maybe three, is they'll take the stamp set and then they'll break it off into pieces. In case you don't want to buy the whole stamp set, you can just buy this. Um, so I'm grandfathered into their Kid of the Month club as it stands right now. We'll see how long that lasts. So it says today is the beginning of the beautiful forever. Two hearts, one beautiful life. May your love be steady, joyful, and forever growing. Best wish. So all this is what you could use with this wedding stamp. Then the bunny rabbit. I'm sure they talk about the coffee. Friday today is feeling kind of optional. I love that. I'm hoping that this bunny is fairly large because I'm going to tell you all. So this is called Hand in Hand. This one. This is called Hairbrained. This one is called Slow Bloom Society. Beautiful things take time. This one's called Smooches and Forever. So they give you two little stamp sets or two little stamps with these one, two, three, four, five, six, seven sentiments. And they're all about love, long lasting love, etc., etc., etc. And then the B, you make my heart buzz, buzzing with joy. Just be you, be cool, and hip hop honeybee. Again, this is the radiant, rooted and radiant. I don't want to sound like that person, but yeah, I'm not. It's not. It is not. Yeah. I don't know if you understand what I'm telling you, but yeah, no. Nope, just nope. All right, so this is all crinkled up. I don't know if it came like this through the mail or if something happened. So this is called Love in the Spotlight. That's what they named it, even though it's called Hand in Hand. So this is the couple, and this is what they did. It's a very pretty card, super cute. And then on the back they have the Radiant in Bloom, which is called Radiant in Bloom. No, it's called Slow Bloom Society. So I don't know. But it uses this kit. Yeah, rooted and radiant. And then they have beautiful things take time, and they just did a very pretty thing with it. They used some, I don't know if these are Copic markers. they gotta be, huh? I think that's the quote unquote industry standard. Yeah. But they showed you the colors that they use, so I don't know if those are Copic or not. And look, they put their wedding set right there. Very pretty, the aesthetic that they gave us. We're gonna get it. We are gonna get it. Well, I guess we're not getting it, but it's a wedding ring on the marker. And I think they did a very, very pretty job with this. And let's see what we get for free this time around. I will just tell you that the two things I'm most excited about are the bunny and the flower. I guess because I'm not a big coupling person, so maybe that's why coupling is. Don't ask me about coupling. I guess is another way to say it. Got these peonies. I believe these are peony flowers, and these are very pretty. We appreciate you so much. I appreciate you too, Unity. I wonder if these are digital and for free. I don't know. You could probably find some similar to that. Then we got this card front. Then we got a little vellum bag. Very cute. And then they gave us a tag. We're forever getting tags, which I am always happy for. And then we got this one sheet of paper. So if you wanted to do some layering with these pieces to make a card, all you need is a card base besides the glue and stuff. And you definitely could create that. So let's look at the size of the stamps and go from there. So the flower stamp is pretty big. That's this one right here. Yeah, this bag looks like it's been beat up pretty good. I don't know. I, I don't. Yeah, I don't have much to say about it. But this is a pretty humongous flower stamp. It is roughly 3 by 5, roughly approximate, as we would say. So that's pretty big. I don't have humongous hands, but it does go in the palm of my hand pretty well. And then these stamps are small, which they look small on the pack on the paper. So these are pretty small. And these are roughly not even. We're gonna give them approximate 3 by 3, but it's a little bit under. If we were doing approximate, it'd be like 2 by 2, 2.5 by 2.5, maybe. So these are probably a little bit smaller. And then we have the bunny. The bunny is what I think I want to stamp out and see how well it stamps out. Um, so it's pretty wide. It's roughly 3.5 by 3 because his ears, and then the honeybee is 2 and 3/4 by 3, maybe. That's probably what it is. And then the altar picture, its widest piece is 3.5 by 3.5. But if we just did this piece, it would probably be like 2 inches, which is not bad. So overall, beautiful little stamps. Just not my favorite. Yep, I like the three nun people one on this one. I don't know if I would say I like the girls better, the Angie girls, or I like. I don't know if they changed designer. The artistry looks different, so I do like the animals. Like this animal is representing how we all feel in the morning time. If you're a coffee drinker, and then we got this little bee, which is cute, very cute. This could have been in a Valentine's Day one actually, because it would have been good for Valentine's Day. And I'm sure that these things are planned out way ahead of time. Yeah, the coupling, I'm just not. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. Tell me which one is your favorite. I'll go over it again real quickly. Sometimes my camera want to be nice to me, and sometimes it don't. But anyway, I hope you have a great day. I want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.